Splash beats.
It's E to the X to the Aro. Damn, I made it. Haha. Featuring man. Big money production. Splash. Let's do it. Haha. 2017 baby. Here we come. Yayazi kunjani bomini kongathatha lonto encity yazilomini nawo uphuma emgqibeni nanisuke bunzimeni bovu kangentseni ngiqubuda phipeni betiphethe etafuleni hayi zame ndawo peaceful i-lyrics zami zibhalela kwiseti hustle and obstacles ngitsho endleleni ngenexesha lamamedi people were so jealous even though kuthi umona kancedi i-life ibe critical ngithi back in the days kodwa kasithini now things are digital no things are touch ngusplash up ithini ndibashaya dismal i-hip-hop ideteste ngafunde encwadini bazamile ukudisa betimbayanis ngapha nangapha bendenza inhlekisa ndisuka ndabuyisa itrack ndirelisa bashiyeka bedukisa now bandenzela umabophe hlalisa pepeni mna ndithatha kwifutha kucaca kamhlophe usablome konensi sikodini awunafyutha andihasla ndiyashesha ngithi ngapha nangapha bandifakela ipressure ngoke zingeqesha ndifake irespect ndibonge nepressure ndisebenza futhi ndazenzela igama zama amashow jonga ke joe ngenguwe ngencama cause I'm like MTN le ifike ngesikhathi ndiredi ndazitholela umntana osexy ngoku ndiphilele life events look at me I made it, just look at me now. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, damn I made it. Le ndifike ngesikhathi ndiredi ndazitholela umntana osexy ngoku ndiphilele life events look at me. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, damn I made it. 206 talent show namatita we made it 209 talent show ndindedwa I nailed it emzanqeni abanye ba-reacting ngathi ndimi lo-bribe amathathu even nangoku some of them basambambe egrudge nindimonelane mani kumkopani ukuba ndenze njani nekunjonga fani nesikhithi sani ndiyaziphangelela I'm making money and hluphi imali rekisile albums kuni ndaphuhlisa abaninzi could it be love lawyer, let's give us easy, son, but I didn't love to tell you the fact it wasn't easy. Don't be so jealous, cause you know I made it big with 2 tracks. With mama the span and the singer along Vela Pina X. Now I'm on the top floor. Each and every day in the pay from la fresh. Land on the years ago. I'm a hustler, the blessing, the dollar, the cash. Not young, I'm on the no, don't stress up. Such a splash. Just understood that I'm from the hood. Don't spoil my mood.
Cause I'm feeling good.
Dropping and grabbing chicks in the gate. Salute them at the shiny plate. Come along, live with top rate. Zippers and the haters, the shy debate. Let's not hesitate. Hey, it's the time of the splash team. Let's celebrate.
Yeah, you already know I made it. I'm right here with my nigga Exaro, my mentor. I remember standing smoking, snitching right here on the unemployment spot. Irritating people every day, passing money to the supermarket doors. On our way to the smoke base, we were rushing like we drunk a lot of scores. If you're wondering why I did that, I was double P by my dogs. I was not responsible for my actions, pushing patient with no patience. Looking like a damn fucking pagan. My life was taken, taking or making good things happen. When I'm with the family, I was restless. Used to take a lot of stack shit. No idea where we going. Checking coast, wanna know where the money
Ease up in this motherfucker.
have a trim and rubber bang and leave the country. Go to eat your money.
Madagascar.
But now I'm growing up, I am a father. I got a self-command. Appreciating everything I have. That's why I'm rushing things I never asked. Making music now is trying inside my heart. Doing things that I never forget. Always be myself and no matter what. There is no way, there is no waiting. I didn't fake it, I know I made it. I know I need anyone to come admit it. Candy money, I will make it explicit. All of my niggas and all of my chicks straight know for sure I'm winning from tripping.
Look at me, I made it, just look at me now. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, damn I made it. Le ndifike ngesikhathi ndiredi ndazitholela umntana osexy ngoku ndiphilele life events look at me. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, just look at me now. I made it, damn I made it.